Aesthetic storytelling comes from how well your frames guide emotion and visual balance. Today, how to create aesthetic storytelling. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert multiple frames in a soft, balanced arrangement across the canvas. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully. Select the background and apply a pastel or muted color palette. Slightly adjust brightness and contrast to maintain a cohesive tone. Add minimal decorative elements like shapes or lines with low opacity. Use position tools to align everything while keeping generous spacing. Add simple text using a light or serif font. This aesthetic storytelling technique creates